Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Yes, finally back from Punta Cana, Orlando, Calgary. It's been very busy lately. So we're back at it. Let's go. Once again. Yeah, man. Damn, these times my schedule is a little crazy, but we're back at it. So yeah, so end of the story. Didn't really trade. I didn't trade at all last week. Sorry, I'm just gonna open up my other computer here to the left. All right. So didn't took any trade, but I had one trade running that actually hit DP, so that was pretty good. But yeah, so let's take a look at this. Let's take a look here. Hopefully everyone is doing great. By the way, guys, sorry, I'm just out of it right now. Just the first time in like what 2 weeks now. So yeah. So how's everybody doing? Let me know how you guys doing when you're coming on the chat. Where are you from? Yeah, and don't forget to smash the like button because it's always like that. Since like I'm always taking break there and there because of I got some business to do. The algorithm doesn't push my stream anymore, so I really need your help, guys. All right, so Raging Trades, hi, good morning, buddy. Munir, hello, 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 buddy. How you doing? Yeah, how you doing? Oh, you switched from LOA to LO. LO is in a special language. Yeah. All right. So let's get the chart going. Jesus. Okay. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this, baby. Okay. So, and again, after like a break like this, I'm assuming a lot of people is going to be watching the replay. Hold on, wait a second. I'm mixing some stuff here. Give me one sec. Give me one sec here. Give me one sec. Where is this? Oh, okay. This is there. This is there. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're good. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's get back to it. All right, so we're gonna start with GJ. Man, I'm doing good, man. Munir, thank you, man. Took a little bit of sun. Now I got some lizard skin coming out of my head right here. So, yeah, too much sun in Punta Cana. Man, my foot was so big. I got bitten by some beach. How the fuck they call those thick beach. Um, anyways, man, they bite me good, and my feet went so big. It was like, yeah, it was scary actually. Okay, let's get back into this. All right, let's talk about GJ. All right, so if we talk about GJ here, GJ is still bullish on the weekly time frame. So we're going to look at two things on GJ. We're going to look at the swing possibility and we're going to look at the scalp possibility. Okay. So first thing first, on the weekly time frame, we are still bullish. Okay. Um, hold on, wait a second here. Where did I put this? I was Punta Cana. It was good, man. It was the weather was super nice, but was super busy. Super busy. It was not vacation. I was super busy out there. But it was fun though. It was fun. It was yeah, a lot of sun, man. A lot of sun. Yeah, we actually had one day on the catamaran, which we had like many of our customers over there. So yeah, it was pretty fun. It was a lot of fun actually. But a lot of work too. So, anyways, let's get back to this. Okay, so now if you look at the weekly is still bullish. Okay, we didn't broke that low, so we're still bullish on the weekly time frame. If you look on the daily is definitely whoops. Daily is now bullish. Okay, so we got weekly bullish, we got daily bullish. So right here, what I will like, um, it's either for retest of this area, which is a pretty decent area. Where's my bar here? Oh, here we go. So we're gonna establish this zone right here. What? Let's take a look here. Where is the Yeah, either 165 ish or this area. I will look for a retest of this area. I will look for a retest of this area to continue up. That would be perfect. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. So we don't have really like a bearish candle so far here on the 4 hour. I mean, this doji doesn't really count. Um, so right now we cannot use our fib. Okay. So we cannot use our fib. So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, we're still bullish also. Now let's talk about what can be a good scalp opportunity here for GJ this morning. Everything is bullish on the higher time frame. If you look at the 2 hour, we're still bullish. Look like we're retesting this area. Okay, interesting, interesting. Yo, that's ugly. But yesterday was bank holiday, if I'm not wrong. I didn't trade because here was holiday, but let me check. I'm pretty sure it was bank holiday. Sunday, Monday, yeah, bank holiday here, bank holiday there. Oh, CAD and USD had no bank holiday? I'm really oh, maybe it was Friday. Maybe it was Friday. Was it CHF bank CAD bank holiday? Yeah. Where's the USD bank holiday? Oh, weird. Whatever. Um. So CHF USD. No, nothing. And today we got nothing. Oh, we got FOMC. I remember speaking, but not much. Okay, cool. Okay, so sorry, I had to check that. Okay, so here was rangy, no volume. So let's see now. Let's see. I think the best play here will be like a pullback. Yeah. Plus we're getting into that. We rejected this H4 resistance right here. You know, boom. Straight at it. Boom. We rejected it. So now we wait for pullback, okay? Or we break this area and retest. But like I said, right now we're straight bullish. So we might continue a little bit higher, but I will wait for the pullback. Even for the scalp here, even for the scalp, because I mean, I don't like this. I don't like this. Very not nice. Not nice at all. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to AEDCHF. We're gonna have a lot of chart to take a look at today because I mean I'm gonna start from scratch since it was since I marked my chart like almost 2 weeks ago. I'm just gonna start everything from scratch. So here let's delete all of this. So you guys are lucky. We're gonna go from scratch altogether. All right, cool. Let's remove this. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. Let's delete all of this. Let's do a clean chart. There we go. Perfect. All right. So if you look at the weekly is trending down, right? So we're trending down. We did exactly what we were where we're trading. We did break retests. All right, cool. So that's perfect. Now, I mean, at this stage, I mean, EDCHF is doing his thing. We're probably going to go lower. Let's go take a look at the daily. Daily is going lower. So at this stage, I mean, I'm going to need a pullback or I'm going to need to create a new low. So right now for me, for the swing aspect, because GJ I scalp, but all the other one, like gold I scalp, G I scalp, but the rest, all the rest, I only scalp. So for now, I'm going to move EDCHF to down of the list because nothing's interesting right now. Okay, so here NZD CAD was a nice fucking win. Um, okay, so let's start here. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. So let's go to the weekly. All right, so if you look at the weekly here, we're still bullish. Okay, so anything between those red line is just market structure. Okay, so even if we here we broke the low, we didn't broke that low. Okay, so we didn't broke that low, but we did break this high, so we are bullish. Anything in between, just market structure. This is the pullback problem, the monthly time frame, exactly. You know, so you see here, this is the pullback to come down to continue up. Okay, but the thing is, the monthly is bearish, but I don't really look at the monthly now these days. But hey, now if you look on the daily though, the daily is bearish. So the daily is bearish. So since the daily and the weekly are against each other, I'm not really interested now. Or the daily can be nice for intraday maybe. So let's take a look. So the daily is bearish. The 4 hour is bearish. Okay. But we already created that low. So yep. So now at this stage, and the CAD is not interesting. Let's go take a look at the ADGPY. So you see, I don't go crazy at it. I don't like, oh, let me find a trade on this pair because there's so many pairs you can take a look at. You don't have to force a trade. Okay. All right. So let's start from scratch. I guess this one is still very valid. Let's remove this. Is there anything else? But this is still valid, right? So we basically had the break, the retest. We got a second retest now coming up. So if we do break above this area, I can look for something to go to the upside, but the main trend is still bearish though. So gotta be careful. The daily is bullish. Let me see here. Boom, boom. Tuck, tuck. Yeah. So the daily is bullish here. Yeah, day is bullish. Weekly is bearish. 4 hour is bullish. So I don't know, not really interested also. So we're gonna drop that one to the bottom. Let's take a look at Euro AUD. God damn it, this played out perfectly. It's too bad I was not looking at it because I was in Punta Cana, but this played out perfectly. Yeah. I was waiting for pullback inside that golden zone, and we had this. If you look on the daily here, we got this bullish engulfing. So whatever. Okay, so let's remove all this. So now what are we going to be looking at? Okay, let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly is bullish. That's not a problem. Easy to figure it out. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know where you're from. Again, we took a 2 weeks break again because I was in Punta Cana in Orlando. Um, so yeah, I need your help to push the stream. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we literally add this retest here. This was perfect. We had the break, the retest, nice engulfing candle here also. So you can also trade on the weekly based on the same thing if you want. Okay, but it's gonna be like longer trade. You're gonna have to wait like weeks to hit DPs, which I don't know, man. Even already, I'm waiting like a couple of days now to hit my TP, which is like huge difference before compared to before. So, anyways, okay. So the weekly is bullish. The daily is bullish. Okay, so let's see here. Can So all right, so maybe we can retest this area here. That looks good. The weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. Let's take a look at 4 hour. 4 hours bull. So hold on, wait a second. So here it flipped bullish. Okay, so here we're bullish, 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 bullish. Here bearish. We broke that low. Okay. Okay. So, but now if this one close above, we're going back bullish. Okay. So good. There's a good chance here we close bullish. So after this, I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you see the 2 hour is bullish. Okay. 1 hour is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. Now here on the 30-minute, we can use our friend Fib here. I'm going to place an alert somewhere around here, which is also, I think, going to be pretty much close to the retest area, if I'm not wrong. It's gonna be a little deeper of that retest area though. All right, so I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to close. But this one, Euro AUD, might be interesting. So I'm gonna put it blue here. Um, but it's not the best so far. I mean, so far it's the best because we only look at 3 pairs. But all right, so let's take a look at GA. GA man, oh, this was perfect. Look at this. Boom. Oh shit. Yo. I love seeing this after marking those chart up and going back at it like almost like 2 weeks later and see that this shit played out perfectly. It's just like, look at this. This was based on the daily time frame. Holy guys, I'm not making this up. I marked this chart up, and I said, all right, I need price to retest this area to continue up on the daily time frame. Six. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's remove this because I mean, yeah, we were right, but we were not there to take it. So now if you look at the weekly, all right, weekly is bullish, right? Okay, so weekly is bullish, fine. Daily is bullish also. Straight bullish. Straight bullish. And 4 hour is rangy. So GA, not that nice. So let's put it down. 80 USD. Let's take a look. Let's go back to the weekly. Boom, boom, boom. Did I mark this red arrow on the daily or weekly? Anyways, let's start from scratch. Let's start from scratch. Whoa, did we hit TP3? Anyways. Okay. Perfect. So you see this is the weekly. So the weekly is still bearish here. Okay. The weekly is still bearish. And the reason why it's because we didn't break and close above this resistance here. So that's why we're still bearish. As you see, we respected it. We form a nice engulfing bearish candle. And yeah, so look like we're continuing bearish here on the weekly time frame. How is everyone doing? People that just joined, welcome. Good morning. All right, let's take a look at the daily. All right, so daily. Yeah, this was 2 weeks ago, I think. Whatever. So let's remove this, and this. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look at the daily here. 80 USD. Daily going bearish. We did close under here, creating that new low. So we should continue down here. We should continue down, form that top wick. So now this daily candle should continue down. But the problem now is we cannot really take a trade here, right? I mean, here we're respected this high. Perfect. 4 hour. Okay, hold on. Wait a second. Wait a second, baby. Wait a second. Okay, let's take a look at the daily again. Okay, so daily, yeah. The thing is, we're respecting this support right here. We did close a bit under. The 4 hour is at a potential, um, lower high. Did we? Oof. No, it kind of closed above. Okay, so now AUD USD, once again, not nice. So let's put it down here. USD CAD. We're gonna find some pair. We're gonna find some pair, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's remove all this. Man, that's a lot of work this morning. I got all my charts to do. What's going on here? What is going on? Where is? Oh, here. Well, yeah, that was a nice one. Okay. So now if you look at USD cap, man, USD, yo, if you look, I bought some USD for my vacation money like a while back. Like, where was it? Did I erase that? Oh, it's a new chart. That's why. Damn it. Yeah, how about some at 1.23, I think, when we had the huge dip for COVID. Now that went back to 140 almost. Jeez. Okay. Sorry, I was talking to myself for 1 second. Uh, something I do sometimes. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. So the weekly is bearish here. What am I saying? The weekly is bullish. The daily is daily is here. We need to count that this elbow. Okay, so here, boom, 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 boom. So here we're bullish. Okay, actually let's cannot count this elbow, but here we're bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish. Bullish. Boom, boom, boom. We're still bullish at this stage. Oh, here we're bearish. Okay, we'll break that low. Sometimes I'm very visual, guys. So sometimes something I do to help me because sometimes it can get confusing, and I'm a visual guy. So here, okay. So I like this here. We're bearish here on the daily, and we are bullish on the weekly. Okay, so for now, it's not interesting. It's not interesting. But if the weekly break this, I'm gonna write USD weekly going bearish. Okay, so clearly it's not gonna be ready right now, but it might be something interesting. So I'm gonna put orange. I'm gonna put it down over there. Because I think if we do break that, we're gonna have a nice continuation to the downside. But based on fundamentals, I don't believe we're gonna go bearish, but we'll see. All right, so we'll see. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this, but it's not close to be ready. NZD USD, Euro AUD, we did it. NZD USD, we didn't do it. Did we? No, we didn't. Okay, so let's remove all this. Hold on. Did I did it? No, I didn't did it. Looks like we never freaking break this thing. Okay, hold on. So the weekly here. Okay, so here I'm not going to erase it because it's still valid. So this one's still valid. So we had the break. We had the retest many times. So now let's see. Can we have a continuation to the downside? Because, man, we got some clean ass traffic here to the left. So if you look on the daily time frame, the daily at the moment is bullish. So that's why I actually placed my alert here. Did I mark something? You see, NZD USD going bearish. Okay, because if we do break that low, we're going bearish. Okay, and I'm gonna wait after that for basically the retest of the daily to continue down. But for this, I'm gonna have to go back on the lower time frame and find my entry. So I'm gonna leave it blue. It's not quite ready. It's not gonna happen today. But so yeah. So for now, it's staying up there because we don't have anything better. Okay. So okay, Euro GPY. Euro GPY. Do we have anything here? So you see, that's a lot of work this morning, man. A lot of work. What time is it? 8:07. Oh, we're good. Let's go back to GJ for 1 sec. Let's go back to GJ for 1 second. Let's go take a look. Look at this 30-minute time frame. I mean, do you really want to trade in this? Ugh, that's ugly. No. No, 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 no. All right, so let's go back to Euro GPY, weekly time frame. All right, cool. Man, we had some trades over there, I think, if I'm not wrong. Did we? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's remove all this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, looks clean now. That was way back. All right, so cool. Let's go to the weekly. Okay, so weekly is bullish. Boom, boom, boom. Here, weekly went bearish. Bow, still bearish. If this weekly do close above this area, we gonna go bullish. Yes. Okay, cool. Um, how you doing, Sasha? I'm doing good, Joe. How are you, man? Azad, GG analysis? Yeah, we can definitely take a look at. Can definitely take a look at. Give me one sec here. Before we go see here, hold on, wait a second. Monday, I sound like a note. I don't know why I cannot see your link here, so I'm gonna have to do it manually. So hold on, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. So if I do this, copy link. All right, cool. So we're gonna do this here, and we're gonna do it manually because I don't know why I cannot copy paste your thing from YouTube. That's weird. For X7, oh, it's a capital X7 XFMWF. Let's see that. All right, cool. So Assad, oh Azad, I'm sorry if I must stop your name. So GJ, this is the hold on, wait a second here. All right, so this is the 30-minute time frame here. So you're looking at a break and a retest above here, which is 165, 686. But like when you send something like that, it would be great to see like, yeah, okay, you're looking for break retest, but are you only looking for break retest on the 30 minute? What's your confluence? Like what is telling you that you're going to continue up? What's your case? How did you build up your case? How many confirmations? What make you take this trade and how are you going to take it? Because yeah, decent, break retest, above this area makes sense. But I think to go to the next level, I think you need to push your analysis to a different level. um yeah, that's just my personal opinion, right? And I'm not saying that to piss you off, but let's say if I want to go bullish on GJ. Let's say I'm scalping it on the 30 minute, and all right, so let's do this for 1 sec, okay? So first, I'm gonna establish that my 4 hour is bullish, and the problem, like you said, if you going break retest, I just want to show you something here, all right? So you said break retest above here, right? But the problem is, if you look here, you're gonna do a break retest and you'll be tapping right here. You're going to be tapping this H4 resistance. Let's see in the past. Yeah, you see here, this area, strong also. Let's see into the past. Do we have anything else? Yeah, pretty much this area. You see here again, here again, here again, here again, resistance. So it's a strong area. So for me, I will look more at the break retest here to continue up. That's just me. Or once again, or now you're seeing we're going straight bullish here. You want the pullback, to continue up. So at least you can have some room here to the left. Because here, if you're doing break retest here on 30 minute, you're tapping into this resistance like pretty quick. Just like just to give you an idea. Let's go back to the 30 minute where you had this break retest. So if you're going break retest above here, so let's say here to here, in 7 pips, you're tapping this resistance, this H4 resistance. So this is just me, my personal opinion. I don't know what you think about it, but I will definitely be careful with this. I'm not saying it's not going to work, just saying be careful. Um, Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Man, working hard this morning. Okay, so let's continue. Euro GPY. All right. So Euro GPY here look like we're going bullish here. All right, cool, 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 cool. But we need this weekly candle to close, like I said before. So it's not done yet. It's not ready. Daily looks nice. Bullish also confirm. 4 hour bullish confirm. So this one might be ready, but we only gonna know next week if this one is bullish. So that's a problem. So it's not even close to be ready. So I'm gonna put it down there because it's gonna be only next week. I'm gonna have the confirmation that this candle is bullish. All right, so basically I gotta wait until next week before I can start thinking about that trade. The only way I can do it is on the intraday, maybe, based on the daily time frame. Let's say if we have a pullback here on a 4 hour, somewhere around here to continue up. So that would be the intraday trade. So you know what? I'm gonna label it as purple. Where's my purple? Purple will be my intraday maybe trade idea. So I'm gonna put here and say here. I'm gonna place an alert here. I need a bearish candle on 4 hour to establish my fib, so we'll see. But let's say that just for an idea here, I just want to see. Let's say here to here, yeah, it will be a golden zone like right on around there, which is also perfect to build up our case with confluence. Perfect. Okay. Um, so now let's move on to the next pair. 80 CAD, 80 CAD. Oh man, this trade was beautiful, man. Yo, if I would have let her run here, just for fun, just for fun. Damn, son. Yeah, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. So let's remove all this. Let's remove all this. Let's start from scratch. Oh, let's remove this. All right. So we're clean. Okay, cool. So here do we got the, oh, let's move on to the weekly. Super nice, super nice. Yo, my extended TP was all the way at the bottom here, so I don't know if it's gonna hit, but it would be like crazy. All right, so now we got the weekly is bearish. All right, so weekly is bearish. We kind of formed this head and shoulders here. Let's see here. So we did this here on the weekly time frame. And we kind of had this kind of right shoulder right here. So, or it can be this one too, whatever, you know. Whatever. Anyways, you guys get the concept. So now, let's see. Did we retest this area here after breaking here? Oh, yes. Look at this wick. Let's remove this. So we're definitely bearish. We did retest. Data is bearish. So I think now the retest will be here. Yeah. So that's our next area of interest to retest. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour did retest it. So we went down, boom, retest, nice engulfing candle, bearish, boom, continuation to the downside. So yeah, at this stage, look at the 4 hour now. The 4 hour did close above here, so it looks like the 4 hour is going bullish. So we might have this pullback here on the daily time frame. Okay, so that's why it's not ready. Okay, so that's why you have to go through all those time frames to understand the story behind it. Okay, very, very, very important. Because if you look here, yes, the data is bearish. All right, we had this pullback here. We formed that top wing. We didn't broke the low yet. We didn't broke the high yet. But if you look at the 4 hour, 4 hour now just closed above resistance. This one. So we might just continue up at this stage. We don't know. Um, so that's why right now those three time frame are not in sync anymore. So I would need the 4 hour to go bearish for me to take that trade. Meaning we need to break that low, come up, retest to continue down. Okay. So I'm gonna mark this down here. I'm gonna mark H4 going, going, going there. Yo, after 2 weeks of not trading, almost like I'm having a hard time here writing. Okay, cool. So this is marked down. So this one, I'm gonna put it blue. Nothing ready yet. So as you can see, so far we don't have much exciting, but we're gonna break down all those one. All right, so let's take a look at the gold here. So gold, we're gonna look at swing and man, ugh, every time I look at gold, man, drive me nuts. Because if you remember, if you've been following me, I call this dip to the T, and I said we're gonna retest this area. I'm gonna try to take it up. I was not able to grab an entry. I was so mad. Um, on the daily, I was expecting to come down and retest here to continue up and have another chance, but never happened. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna delete all this. I'm gonna start from scratch. But man, this was a beautiful move by gold. Let's remove everything here. Boom, boom. So gold, I'm gonna look at swing and scalp. Um, so let's see here. Okay, looks like we're creating a new high here. We did broke this resistance. Okay, great. So look like we came down here to retest this area. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily, yeah, same shit. To the T, man. Holy. Okay, so let's establish our golden zone here on the daily. Okay, we're right at it here. All right, so it looks like we got something interesting so far. Daily golden zone. All right, perfect. Excellent. Okay. 4 is bullish also. We got, oh man, the entry was right there. Fuck. No, not right there. Cool. All right, cool, cool, cool. We didn't miss it. Sweet. All right, so the 4 hour went down. All right, so this is the pullback. We're still bullish because we didn't broke that low. We didn't close under that low. We wick down, reject hard, and push up, right? So now, and the 4 hour is, yeah, the 4 oh yeah, I kind of missed that entry because the 4 hour was still bullish. Damn. All right, so my next attempt here will be if we can retest this area, which kind of did. Let's go take a look at the lower time frame. All right, cool, cool, cool. Yeah, we had the break, we got the retest, nice engulfing candle. Okay, let's see. What's my fib here? What's my fib here? We're respecting the safety net. All right, so we're good. Okay, 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 okay. 30 minute. Okay, looks good. Yeah, okay. So this candle closing in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. We need a bullish engulfing here to continue up. So all right, so 2 hour, so 2 hours is bullish, right? So we came down, retest. We need to close above this area for bullish, but we don't have a pull. Yeah, my thing though is we need a pullback on 4 hour, and the 4 hour is going to close in 47 minutes, 37 minutes, and it's a pretty big bearish candle so far. In 37 minutes, it needs to flip, So nothing's impossible with gold, right? But if this one goes bearish, I definitely don't want to be entering a trade against that 4 hour. So if this one closed bearish, there's a good chance we're going to continue down. Probably going to be have a solid retest of this area. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to mark this down. retesting H4 res. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now, if I was scalping it, maybe I want to scalp it. Yeah, nah. Look at this rejection also. Oh, late. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see, this is very important to be very careful and patient. Oh, okay, okay. Now we're gonna have that retest for sure. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Like I said, I was going in Punta Cana, Orlando. Like, I didn't stream for the past like 2 weeks. What? Something like that. I don't know. But need your help, man. Smash the like button. Okay, so stand by on gold. Stand by. I'm gonna leave it there. No colors. I'm just gonna leave it there. Something is cooking, but not ready. Okay, so let's go see CAD GPY. Um, do we have anything on CAD GPY here? What did I mark here? Let me see. Huh. I hate when I do this. Not writing anything. So let me delete it now because I don't want to be confused. Let me delete this also. Oops. Let's start from scratch. All right, cool. Accent. All right, let's take a look at this. So we did close under this support here, so we're definitely bearish here on the weekly time frame. All right, we're bearish. We're bearish for sure. Going back up here, let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bullish now. So the daily is bullish. So for me to take shorts, let's see. We said weekly is bearish. This is the pullback, right? Just for fun here, just to have an idea of the potential story. Yeah, so this move up looked like it was a pullback here, or we're rejecting the safety net. Looked like we're closing right. Those one did close right in that golden zone. So we shall see. This week didn't broke that week. So probably was just a pullback here. So now I need the daily to go bearish. And for this, I'm going to need the daily to break here. So I'm going to establish this here. I'm going to write this down. CAD GPY daily going bearish. So with this, it helped me follow the story of my potential trade, right? So the 4 hour is bullish at the moment. So right now I need either the 4 hour, the daily to go bearish, or the weekly to go bullish, right? And for the weekly to go bullish, I need to break and close under this resistance, which I mean can take a week or two, maybe three. So because don't forget those candles are 1 week each, right? So all right, so far not much for CAD GPY, so I'm gonna just move it down over there. Nothing on the top here. Like those one are blues, but they are not quite ready either. So man, I heard that last week they didn't have so not much volume either. So hopefully this week, man, price gonna settle up. Man, USD GPY was kind of nice to me lately. So let's delete all this. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe USD GPY has something for us. Okay, let's see. Um, let's see here. Did I How you doing, Sasha? I'm doing good. Experiment short 2001. I don't know. Man, you're doing a lot of experiment, Joe. Again, man, you got to build up that case. Tell me why, man. Joe, I like you, but you got to start building those case up. When you're experimenting, oh, I hope you mark things down because if not, you're just throwing numbers out there. I'm saying that for the best of you, man. Okay, so let's get back at it. USD GPY is bearish. Okay, so we are bearish here, creating lower low, high low, boom. So here we don't know. So we don't know. Are we gonna form resistance to continue down, form a lower low? We kind of don't know. The weekly is bearish. Daily is Daily is now bullish. We did close above this resistance. So yeah, nothing nice here. 4 hour is bullish. So weekly, for the weekly to flip bullish, I need to break this high here, which is not going to happen this week. So we need the weekly to go bearish. The weekly is bearish. We need the daily to go bearish. So again, I'm going to mark it down here. It's not going to happen today, but let's see. I'm going to keep track. Daily going bearish. All right, so let's go down, baby. Boom. All right, cool. Man, are we gonna find something nice? Okay, so let's take a look here. The weekly. Weekly, ugh, that's rangy here. But it's bearish. So we're bearish here. All right, cool, 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 cool. And if you look, we are right in the area, right in that weekly golden zone. So we might be ready to come down soon. We had some range for what, 3 weeks? 3 weeks of range here. Let's take a look at daily. Daily did close under here, so we're bearish. Okay, so all right, this might be interesting. Let's mark it down. We're finally gonna have something, I think. Okay, so as you see here, support, support, resistance. So pretty strong area, resistance. Okay, and if you extend it to here, you see support, support. So yeah, very valid area. Cool, cool, cool. So this is the daily time frame. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour is at the moment is bullish. Yeah, we need to close under this area. Man, if we have a nice break retest here, that can be nice. That can be nice here, because if you look at the daily, you got all those wicks to fill, and you got a super clean ass chart. Holy, yeah. If this happened, this might be very interesting. This might be. So I'm gonna place an alert here. 4 hour. Oops. God damn. All right. H4. H4 going bearish. Yeah, all right, so cool. So I'm gonna put it blue. And this one's gonna go on top. So this is the closest one to be ready so far. Um, okay. Euro NZD. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Euro NZD weekly. Let's remove all this. Start from scratch. Cool. So we are bullish. Okay. So we were bullish here. And since then, I mean, if you look here, we had this markdown. Oops. And if you look here, anything between those are just market structure. Now we're about to create a higher high. Okay. Um, so we're about to create a higher high. Okay, great. If you look at the daily is bullish also. Weekly. Okay, so we need to mark this down. Oops. So what I'm going to be waiting is for the high to be formed, to come down, come this, retest, bam. Okay. So this is not close to be ready. So just going to move it down over here. Euro GPP. Man, you see, this is a lot of work, guys. This is a lot of work. Where is this thing here? Oh, right here. Yo, this was a big sell here. Whoa. Okay. Um, just want to keep my chart clean. Okay, so let's go to the weekly. And guys, if you have any questions, you let me know. Don't forget to let me know where you're from, and don't forget to smash the like button. Again, took another break off. I'm not helping myself stream wise, but I don't really care. I'm not making those streams to have like 2,000 viewers. I'm making those things to at least help one person a day. So if I did help one person, for me, I'm good. So I'm doing that for you guys and not for myself, which is the difference with other people streaming. I think a lot of people kind of like to hear themselves, kind of, but yeah, not my case. I don't give a shit. Here, Joe from Amazing Argentina. This is definitely a place I want to go. This is definitely a place I want to try. It looks nice. It looks really nice. All right. So the weekly is bearish here. So we formed a high here, and now we did broke under. Hold on, wait a second. Did we close under? Yeah, that's limits. That's very limits. Yeah, that one I would say respected it. So we're still bullish. We're still bullish. Okay. So now let's take a look at the daily. The daily is bearish though. Daily is bearish. The 4 hour is kind of rangy here, but bearish. Okay, so I need the weekly to go bearish. For the weekly to go bearish, I need to break that low. So we're gonna establish this. Weekly going bearish. Is it me or there's a lot of bearish movement? Yep, 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 yep. Okay, so boom, this going down. I don't even know where I'm at now. GU. Man, can we find one pair that has something? Jesus. Okay, let's delete this. Like, I would like to have a trade this week. Looks like we got some position taken here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember that one. That one is beautiful. Yeah, that one is beautiful. GU. All right. So GU. 8:37. We're gonna go take a look at GJ right after that because this 30-minute just closed. Okay. So weekly is bullish. Let's remove this. So weekly is bullish. I think we can. Where's this? This is bullish. The daily is bullish. Oh, daily is nice here. Okay, daily is inside that golden zone. Beautiful. Okay, let's go take a look at the 4 hour time frame. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so 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 so. Let's establish this here. I think we got something here. Let's see. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so we're inside our daily golden zone. All right, so the weekly is bullish. The daily is bullish. We have this pullback right in that golden zone, rejecting it. The 4 hour just flipped bullish by closing above here. Hold on, wait a second. Was it bullish before? Oh, it was already bullish anyways. Oh, yeah, because, hold on, wait a second. Oh, no, not true. So here, yeah, I'm not counting that as an elbow. this, this, this. It's basically when we broke that low. So yeah, it was bearish. Okay, sorry guys. Sometimes you said I'm visual, right? All right, so this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so now we got the 4 closing above here, going bullish. So now we need to pull back on the 4 to be able to buy at a potential higher low. Okay, we got something here. So I'm going to place that red here. So basically what I want, okay, so took a while, but we found something. So basically what I want is a pullback. Now we don't have a bearish candle on 4 hours, so let's get a little 2 hour, 1 hour. All right, so just to give us an idea, okay, so the 1 hour did close bearish here engulfing. So there's a good chance we have a pullback here. So if you use this and we do that, so we might have a pullback around this area just to have it a different color. Let's put it orange for now. Okay, so this is our, oh, wait a second, wrong zone. Right here. So this is our golden zone on 1 hour. This is just to have an idea. Now, if you go back on the 4 hour, that makes total sense. You know, that makes total sense. So it's going to be great because it's going to be a retest of the weekly zone and daily zone. It's going to be a pullback inside the daily golden zone. It's going to be a pullback inside the 1 hour golden zone, which is going to be also probably pretty much the H4 golden zone at one point. So yeah, this looks pretty nice. Oops. This looks pretty nice. So after that, for the pullback to happen, the 30-minute has to go bearish. Okay. So the 30-minute has to go something like this, you know. And when the 30 minutes is going to be flipping bullish here, this is where I'm taking my trade. Okay. We got something. So let me place an alert. I'm going to place it here just to keep track. Retesting weekly area of interest. Okay. Perfect. Interesting. Euro USD. Did we do it? No. I think we got a couple more pairs. I think we got Euro USD, GN, NZD GPY, and CAD GPY. I think we got 4 more, if I'm not wrong. Let's see here. Wow, this never happened. I was really expecting this. It did went bearish, and now we close above bullish. So, okay. So this didn't happen, so we just simply don't take the trade. That's it. So now, what's next? What is next? So the weekly is bullish. As you can tell, we did close above this resistance, so we're still bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, we're bullish. Okay. So we are bullish here. Now we need to pull back, basically. So the daily so far is bullish. But the weekly is going to need a pullback at one time. But this is perfect, though. If you look here, so we're broke. We kind of retesting a second time. Let's see here. What about this golden zone here? Oh, right at it. Daily golden zone. Okay, so we got something here interesting. Let's mark it down. Daily. Boom. Daily golden zone. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Now let's flip on the 4 hour. 4 hour is so here, bearish. Okay. So now if we got this candle closing above this here in like 17 minutes, that means we're going bullish. So after at this stage, if this closed bullish, I'm gonna wait for the potential higher low, or lower, higher low. Yeah, higher low. Sorry, I'm always having a hard freaking time translating that in English. I don't know why, but yeah. So basically, for this, I'm gonna wait for the potential higher low here on the 4 hour to continue up. Okay. So this blue and it's going like actually green because it's close to be ready. And okay, so that I'm gonna keep an eye on it if we do close bullish like in 15-ish minutes. Um, let's see here. Jason Weeks, M30, N3 on GU, N3 on close, pullback or break of high. GU, N3 on close, pullback or break. Okay, that's a question. Um, let's see. GU. You're talking about the swing idea, or you talking about something else? You talk about something we broke down together? Just want to make sure. Because this one for me, I'm gonna be waiting basically for the pullback here. So yeah. So the daily is gonna close bullish, right? The day is gonna close bullish engulfing. So there's a good chance tomorrow that new candle is gonna need to form that bottom wick. And that bottom wick is gonna be the retest on the 4 hour and the potential, higher low on the 4 hour. Because the 4 hour just, the 4 hour did close bullish, close above this resistance. So yeah, and I want to retest this area now. So on the 30-minute, swing idea just discussed. Yeah, okay, perfect. So yeah, so basically now just gonna be waiting for that pullback. Yeah, because the thing is, that 4 hour now, like it's getting smaller than before. But if you look at the 2 hour candle, it's a bearish engulfing candle. So there's a good chance, like I said before, we're gonna continue down, probably around this area, which is almost we did. So I don't know at this stage. We're gonna have to wait for the 4 hour close, see what's happening. Because now, whoa, what the fuck? Yo, have you seen this? It flipped bullish like in no time. So yeah, so I don't know what's going on here, but something's cooking. But no matter what, I mean, I cannot execute based on this. I cannot just take a trade here. So I'm gonna have to wait. See, 1 hour was bearish engulfing. So we'll see. We shall see. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Joe exit 160 picks. Good job. But I don't know what you did, so I cannot say good job because Joe, man, you're just giving me numbers, bro. I'm trying to help you here. Yo, okay, so this is GN. GN was such in a shit zone. The red zone is the shit zone. Okay, so yeah, it was just rangy. We finally got out of that range. We retested it. So now let's go to the weekly. The weekly, um, boom, 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 boom. All right, so weekly, daily, bullish with the retest here. So yeah, eh, I don't know. 4 looks good. Daily is straight bullish. Weekly is straight bullish at the moment. So we gotta wait. Again, no pullback, no trade. 4, yeah. Okay. So now I don't even know. Did I do I clearly did I did USD GPY? Yeah, I did it. So CAD GPY. We didn't do CAD GPY. Let's do the weekly. Weekly is bearish. That looks nice because I mean the weekly went bearish, created a lower low, and now we had the pullback. So let's see here. What did I mark here? Daily going bearish. Okay, so I was clearly waiting for this. Let's see. Oh, here we go. So you see, so right now the daily is bullish. So I need the daily to break here to go bearish. 4 hour is obviously bullish. Okay. So that can be interesting if we do break this, but it's not going to happen right now. So it's not ready either. Damn, man. We don't have a lot of stuff going on this week. AUDGPY, NZDGPU. We didn't do NZDGPY. Okay. So NZDGPY is still in the shit zone. So I'm going to place some alerts here. I'm going to say breaking shit zone. breaking dog shit zone. But I'm not even interested at looking at it. Boom. Okay. ADGPY. I think we discussed that one, right? Did we? Yeah, Euro GBP, I remember clearly. ADGPY, yeah. So we got the break. Yeah, we did that one. Yeah, we did that one. This looks actually. This actually looks good. Why did I? Hold on. Wait a second. Did I do that one? Okay, so here we're bearish on the weekly. We got super clean traffic to the left. Okay, awesome. We came down, we retested. We got a bearish candle here on the weekly. This new weekly went up, created top wick. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. Daily went bullish. Now we're bearish. We got a, okay, hold on, wait a second. I didn't see that. So we're gonna adjust the zone here because this is the support we broke. I want to retest here. Okay, I didn't look at that one. Getting excited here. I'm getting excited. Which is also a retest of weekly, retest of daily. Okay, great. Now let's see here. Um, see here. This is our golden zone right here on the daily. Daily, golden zone, boom, boom. A nice rejection here. So, all right, so weekly is bearish, daily is bearish. Now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is, oh, yo, this was perfect. But the 4 hour, hold on. Whoa, hold on. What is the 4 hour? 4 hour was bullish here, and we went bearish. Okay, so boom, boom, we went bearish. Did we close above here? Yeah, okay, so I need a 4 hour to go back bearish. Fuck. Yeah, that's a problem. I'm gonna have to break here. Or we might put some market structure here, but that's too bad. It looks good though, ain't gonna lie. How's the 30 minute? 30 minute was bullish. Now we're bearish. Nice and you know what? This one might be a little tricky because of the 4 hour, but I kind of like this. I kind of like this. 30 minutes went bearish, retest this area, close back, engulfing bearish candle. We did close under that support. Yo, I kind of like this. Even if the 4 is a little off. You know what? Guys? I'm gonna take it. But with a lower risk, because it might be tricky. Why is my freaking MT4 not opening, please? Hello. Let me connect my what? Yeah. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'm just gonna set this thing up. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, this might be, like I said, it might be a little risky because of the 4 hour, but I'm gonna go lower risk. So what's going on, man? I think it's me not trading for like a week and a half. Okay, now we're good. Perfect. So this is AUD AUD GPY. Where are you? AUD GPY. AUD. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, guys and girls. How is that possible? Oh, here. Perfect. Boom, boom. 30-minute. Yeah, okay. Open calc. Now, let's see. Stop loss wise, let's say if I take this trade here, whoops, wrong side. If I take this trade here, stop loss can be above that resistance, which is like a 20 pips stop loss kind of. Okay. So I'm going to place it right here. And we're going to go for, yeah, a retest of the zone, which is going to be a 3-2-1 basically. There we go. Okay. I'm in. All right, so I'm in. So the exact entry is 88,617. 88,617. And stop loss is 88,810. 88,810. And again, I'm telling you guys, this one might be a little risky because of the 4 hours not in sync. But I did that before another pair. It went well. But again, that's why I'm lowering. Man, the Franglish trying to talk here. But anyways, I'm lowering my risk. Can you say that? I don't even know if you can say that. 88,045. 88,045. 88,045. Kind of right here. Yep, here we go. Perfect. Which is this support right here. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see now. So I'm just gonna let it play out, and that's it. Jason Weeds, AUDGPY is the daily bullish. Did I fucked it up? Hold on, wait a second. That's possible. I'm rusty, man. After 2 weeks. No, because we broke that support. So basically, okay. So let's start from scratch here. So here. So here we're bearish, right? We're bearish. Here we did close above here. We're bullish, and here we close under that support, so we're bearish. And we came up, retest this area to continue down. Oh, retesting H4 structure on gold. Let's go take a look. Oh man, perfect. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. So now we're gonna wait. Now we'll wait. Now we'll wait for the 30-minute to go bullish again. Sweet. Okay, so if you keep an eye on gold too. So here, ADGPY. right on top here. Cool. All right, so I think this was actually, can you believe it? We did all this to find one pair that was actually ready. Um, all right, let's go back to GJ now. GJ is doing nothing right now. And the close of the 4 hours closing. So we're going to go back at those top 6 pairs very quickly. Um, so hopefully that helped, Jason. That made sense in marking. Like sometimes, like what it helped me is, let's say here, where was it? ADGPY. So what you can do, what I like to do is place those lines here. So let's say, boom. So here, so we had the pullback here. We finally broke and close under. So that becomes my lower low, and this becomes my lower high. Once we broke here, so this become my lower low, this become my lower high. Once we did broke above here, this become a higher high, and this is um our low basically, Once we did broke here, so this is our higher high, and this becomes our high low. Once price went down here, so we created a lower low, and this is our structure. Make sense? Um, and anything in between are just market structure. Okay, so now the 4 just closed. Yeah, it did close. It did close on GJ. So it closed strong bullish right above here. Um, Not true. This I was looking at the day candle. Sorry, the 4 closed doji. Yeah, this is a mess, man. This is a mess. This is a mess. This is a mess. Yeah, not nice at all. All right. So let's go on AUDGPY. So the 4 did close bearish. I would love to take it here in all honesty. But at the same time, I think the best entry was when the 30-minute went bearish here. We had the retest. So maybe on a 1 hour, we had a better entry. No, not really, actually. Maybe on a 15-minute. So we went bearish. Bearish retest. No, not here. Okay, so, I'll go with that. All right, so GU now for close bearish doji. Okay, so look like we might have our retest now. Euro USD, close small body candle. So you see now this move is getting tired now to the upside. You see a small body candle, pretty big wick to the top, rejecting it. It did close. Oh shit! Look, let me remove this for 1 sec. We did close under it or at it. Okay, so meaning that we're respecting this resistance. So we might continue down now. So now we don't even know if this time frame is going to go bullish now. That's a problem. So hopefully we can have like a small body candle closing on top here, establishing bullish movement for the 4 hour, and now after that having the pullback. But right now it's still bearish. So that's a problem. Because if you do this here, we're still bearish. Okay, so this one, that's why this one is at the bottom of the green. Actually, this one is actually closer of this one. GG, BBCHF, 4 hour closed bullish. We didn't broke this area. Euro AUD closed bullish. So that's good. So that one is great. Hold on, wait a second. What is this marking here? Euro AUD crossing. The fuck am I crossing? What? What? No. Remove. Okay, so the weekly air is bullish. The daily is bullish. 4 now is confirmed bullish because we needed to close above this resistance. So now after at this stage, we're gonna need a pullback here because I want to buy at a potential higher low on a 4 hour or a higher low confirm. So based on the 1 hour, based on the 1 hour and 2 hours, we have a bearish candle here. So we might have our pullback. So we don't know yet. It's too early. But definitely going to keep track on this one. Into the USD 4 did close bearish. So look like we're coming down. We're coming down, baby. Okay. And AUD CAD bearish. All right, great. All right. So we got 6 pairs to watch for. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, GG is always on top because it's still my main pair. So that's why it's still on top. But and gold is retesting this level. So now I need the 30-minute or the 15-minute to flip bullish to scalp this thing. Yeah, that's about it. All right, man. All right, so ADGPY running like a small 7 pips profit right now. So we'll see where it goes. Just gonna let it play out. We set it up, and now we're just let it play out. I'm gonna forget about it, do my things today, and that's it. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. So that's about it. Thank you very much for being here. It's a comeback. I'm gonna be live again on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. So make sure to tune in. So Thursday night now is Forex Talk Over Beer at 6 p.m. Eastern. Do I have something Thursday? Jesus, I got so many things these days. Yeah, I think I'm good. We're good. We're good to have a show this week. So thanks again, guys. Wishing you an amazing day. And if there's anything, hit me up in my DM on Instagram. Take care, guys. Take care. Take care.